So today we are changing out the old compressor and old air tank for the new compressor and new air tank. There's actually nothing wrong with the old air compressor, I just don't like the chrome. I prefer the black. And then obviously, as you can see, welds broke, but they also had it mounted in a position to where the drain plug was facing up, so there was no way to get moisture out of it. So the inside of the tank is not in great shape. It's how we bought the car, so now we're remedying that issue. You're supposed to mount your manifold above the tank, this way there's no moisture that actually gets into the manifold, but it's still going to collect moisture if you live in a place that's humid like where we are. Basically ready to hook the new compressor up and then get a spot for the new air tank, and then that's pretty much it for this one. And then next week we're going to be getting the new ALP4 manifold management system, whole new wiring harness, because the wiring harness that's in the car now, it's not in good shape at all. It is an electrical mess, including all the air ride lines. I got the 4 controller for the dual pump because the car is twin turbo. Basically, this is what's going to be getting removed here in the next week because it's just an absolute mess. But this is all the wiring for the management system for the air ride. You know, before you put everything together, I would test everything and make sure, you know, once that everything's working and whatnot before you finalize on your cable management. Otherwise you'll just be taking everything back apart again. I mean, this is all that's left of the red. I'm fucking that up actually too, putting the wrong ones together. Jesus fuck. The management system that's in the car right now is the old V2 management system that I don't believe Airlift even supports anymore in any way, shape, or form. So this is going to be a huge upgrade going from the V2 to the ALP4. You're going to be able to, you know, connect the new ALP4 to your phone and stuff. There's a brand new controller, brand new manifold and all that that's got better processors and RAMs in it. Better Bluetooth capabilities, stuff like that, which the V2 doesn't have any of that stuff at all. I mean, that's the old V2 manifold. The new one's gonna look light years better than that one. I just need to like raise this up to like right here, look like some wood. One of these 10-year-old fittings is leaking, so we're just going to change that out real quick. Hopefully that will mitigate this issue. Right there. There's already water starting to collect. This one wasn't really getting used too much. This thing was used and abused. Just might not even fix it, we'll see. Instructions say don't do this because the new fittings, when you get the new setup and everything, has already been pre-doped. But this is used, so obviously you're going to want to put something back on it. Don't judge my tools. This is what we got right now. make sure that you double check your connections, because as you can see, it wasn't getting anything working. Well, it's because I didn't have this all the way plugged in. So. That is the empty, not the other. So we had the, basically where it purges from the manifold. Like if you say you hit a button and you're going down in air, the air has to have somewhere to go, which is the exhaust. I had that hooked up instead of the tank line. That's why it was not reading pressure.